I work at Park Dental Maplewood in the scheduling manager department. A scheduling manager answers the phones. They also schedule appointments for the dentist and also takes care of patient insurance. We like to make sure patients are taken care of financially in that situation, try to help them out as best as we could. I heard a lot of good things about how they have extra courses to help train you in your position, and there's also opportunity to move up in the company as well. Working for Park Dental has been a great experience. I have enjoyed a lot of the patient interactions I've had and also building relationships within my team members. The team that I work with is great. We enjoy our time together. We work together for each patient that we see, from when they walk in the door to when they get seated in the back. We try our best to give them the best service as possible to make them feel comfortable. I'm proud to work at Park Dental because it is a company that takes care of their employees and really cares, genuinely cares about patient-centered service.